Today, casual cooking, casually making these little cute rice cracker tartlet shells. Super easy to make, only takes a few ingredients. Kids will love them, ex-wife will love them. Starting out with these guys, we're just going to take a cup of rice and about 4 cups of water. And our real goal is just to cook the shit out of the rice. We want it to get mushy, but not completely fall apart. It should take about 25 to 30 minutes. Once most of your water has reduced, you're going to want to stir it constantly so you don't burn the rice and also to release starch. Near the end of the cooking process, I'll usually add a couple tablespoons of soy sauce and sometimes seeds or chopped up mushrooms. And I will add 4 tablespoons of rice starch right at the end. That'll help soak up a lot of the remaining moisture. It should have a doughy consistency when finished. Then I'll put it on a sheet tray and into the fridge to cool. Once completely cooled, we'll take 2 pieces of parchment paper and line them with oil. And this is where the crazy shit happens, because I'm going to use a tortilla press to press them into shape. Yeah, that's a good squeeze. We'll then take our flat discs and gently wrap them around our tart shells with plenty of oil. And remove any excess rice from the edges of our rice shell. To cook them, I like to use an air fryer at around 375 degrees for 14 minutes, but you can use a oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Once they're nice and crunchy and golden brown, just pull them out and let them cool. They should release from the tart shell once cooled. I just did a plate up with some stuff I had laying around, some ramp puree, mushrooms, pickled ramps, some violet flowers. But the real question is, how does it crunch? That's a good crunch.